There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
What am I supposed to do without you? Is it too late?
Where did Hiccup go wrong?
It's never where he should be.
Thank you, Astrid.
To let them go. Do you feel damaged just like I do? Your face, it makes my
Love on the battlefield.
She could do better.
Our parents' war is about to become ours. Figure out which side you're on.
drowning, trouble, sleeping, restless, dreaming. You're in my head, always, always. I just got scared, always.
Promise me it won't go wrong.